Hello everyone, welcome to the channel CSC Scholar Studies. In this lecture, I will discuss about the epsilon non-deterministic finite automata, epsilon NFA. So first, what is the definition of epsilon NFA? NFA is having epsilon transition is known as epsilon NFA. What is the NFA? I have already discussed about the NFA, what is the NFA, and I have already solved the different type of question based on the NFA in the previous lecture. You can watch the previous lecture and the link is given in the description. So in this epsilon NFA, one transition epsilon transition is add on in the given NFA, right? What is the formal definition of epsilon NFA? There are five tuples. First is a capital Q. It is a finite number of state, means how many number of state in the NFA. Sigma. It is a set of input alphabets, and Q naught, it is a final initial state. Sorry, it is the initial state. F, capital F is a set of final states. How many number of final states in the any NFA? Delta. Delta is a transition function. This delta is a vary in the epsilon NFA and the NFA. Right. For epsilon NFA, the transition function is a Q into sigma union set of epsilon. Means it tends to 2 की power q, means power set of q. जो हमारा NFA होता है उसमें हमारा, अगर आप प्रीवियस लेक्चर देखोगे तो डेल्टा होता है q into sigma tends to 2 की power q, and here we see that the epsilon NFA transition function is a add-on union of set of epsilon. मीन्स जो हमारा NFA होता है उसमें एप्सिलॉन ट्रांजिशन का यूनियन हो जाता है, और ये होता है 2 की पावर 10 2 की पावर q, मीन पावर सेट ऑफ q. So it is a similar to NFA, but the difference is in this epsilon NFA adds epsilon transition in the given NFA, right? So what is the epsilon transition? We need to know how epsilon transition work and what is the use of this transition, right? Suppose there are two states Q0 and Q1, and Q1 is a suppose final state and Q0 is a initial state, and there is a any epsilon transition. For this epsilon transition, the machine or any automata for which we draw this NFA, the machine is at this state or either this, because there is no input, epsilon is a null. मतलब कि जब हम एप्सिलॉन ट्रांजिशन यूज करते हैं तो हम एप्सिलॉन ट्रांजिशन के टाइम पे हम दोनों स्टेट पे रह सकते हैं, राइट? इधर हम Q0 पे रहें, Q1 पे रहें, क्योंकि एप्सिलॉन क्या है, नल है, इसकी कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है, तो हम इस पे भी हो सकते हैं, इस पे भी हो सकते हैं. बेसिकली हम इसको यूज करते हैं जब भी कोई मशीन या ऑटोमेटा डिजाइन करते हैं और हमें और हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं होता कि करेंट स्टेट क्या है, राइट? मीन्स देयर इज नो idea about the current state of the machine. So we use this transition epsilon transition because this is either at the q0 or q1. So when we not precisely know about the states of the machine, so we use this epsilon transition because ये एप्सिलॉन ट्रांजिशन हमें क्या बेनिफिट देता है कि हम एट दिस टाइम एप्सिलॉन ट्रांजिशन वी आर एट दिस स्टेट और वी आर एट दिस स्टेट, मीन हम इसमें कहीं पे भी हो सकते हैं बिकॉज एप्सिलॉन गिव द नल वैल्यू. हमें कोई इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा मशीन पे अगर हम इस स्टेट पे जाएं या इधर इस स्टेट पे जाएं, बिकॉज एप्सिलॉन की जो वैल्यू होती है नल होती है, राइट? So this is the main use of the epsilon transition. Why we use the epsilon transition in the NFA? So because of this null property we use at the time of any automata design. So this is the benefit of epsilon transition, and why you use the epsilon transition. In the coming lecture, I will solve the question on the epsilon NFA, how we remove the epsilon transition and convert into the NFA. So continue the coming lecture and solve the question based on the epsilon NFA. So thank you.